get rid of some leaves. We've been cleaning it up for quite a while now, so we're gonna do that. Not all of us are going. Mari, she's not gonna be there because she's back at school, and my dad needs to go to work. So that means LG is gonna be the one in charge of making sure everything's good. So see how that goes. Okay guys, so this is what we have to take to the dump. It's a lot of trees. We gotta figure out how to connect this, get it to this, so that this giant RV will take to the dump. So we're gonna figure this out. Here we go.
See that long rod right here? That rod has to come out the back side.
To the rod is coming back.
Okay. Reach your hand underneath. There's a yellow ball underneath of that that goes to the trailer here. Grab the yellow ball. Pull the rod out.
My God, let's shoot him in the face.
My God.
I'm hitting him. You know what you holding?
Y'all can see we got to cut this grass, but it's a lot. Bringing out. He's bringing a trampoline. Lele, you got your slide? Hey, you got your slide?
Mm-hmm. Like she grabbed it that way. Yes.
I ain't try, buddy.
Let's get the jumper cable. Let's get the jumper cable.
You get my yellow shoes on?
Got your shoes. All right, let's get the jumper cables and jump the.
I don't think the hood?
Y'all are doing a good job. Thank you very much.
Where's your case?
I took my case off. I can't record with that rabbit case.
Get your hand off of there. I'm probably gonna let you keep.
When was the last time we turned this thing on anyway? Out. Woohoo! All right. That's progress. Progress. Yay! Welcome to the country.